Hello, dear listeners. Welcome back to Flavors and Knowledge. I'm your host, Chef Walter Potenza. And in today's episode, I'd like to talk to you about a question that comes to mind very often, especially from many of our listeners and Black followers. What is an all-American cooking? And I'm going to try in this episode to share with you some of my thoughts, what I think they are related to this particular phrase. As you know, all-American cooking is an intricate and multifaceted tapestry which is woven from diverse cultural threads, regional specialties, and a fusion of historical influences. It's like a warm, familiar blanket that wraps us in comfort and connection. And to understand the essence of all-American cuisine, one must explore its styles, geographic variation, and the rich ethnic influences that have shaped its evolution. The culinary landscape of this cuisine is a vibrant mosaic, defying confinement within a singular style or a set of ingredients. Instead, it encompasses diverse approaches, each significant in shaping the nation's culinary heritage. Let's look into the most prominent styles, which include, of course, comfort food, lying at the heart of all American cooking. These dishes, often characterized by their simplicity and heartiness, evoke a sense of nostalgia and warmth. Classic examples include macaroni and cheese, meatloaf, mashed potatoes, and even chicken pot pie. Comfort food represents the soul of American home cooking, providing solace and satisfaction. We also have the barbecue, or BBQ, a quintessentially American style, particularly prevalent in the southern states. This cooking method involves slow cooking meat over indirect heat, typically using wood smoke to impart a distinctive flavor. It's not just a cooking method, but a cultural tradition that brings communities together in celebration. Regional variations abound, from the vinegar-based sauce of North Carolina to the sweet tomato-based sauces of Kansas City and many others, which often differ from city to county. We certainly cannot forget the classic American diner, an iconic institution known for its wide-ranging menu which serves breakfast, lunch, and dinner all day. Pancakes, burgers, milkshakes, and French fries are staples of diner cuisine, offering a snapshot of American culinary diversity. Diners reflect American dining cultures, the fast-paced yet comforting nature, providing a space where people from all walks of life can enjoy a hearty meal. We have then the soul food, originating from the African American communities in the South. Soul food is a rich and flavorful cuisine that includes dishes such as fried chicken, collard greens, cornbread, and black-eyed peas. The style is deeply rooted in history and tradition, reflecting the resilience and the creativity of its creators. Soul food is a testament to the enduring influence of African American culinary traditions and American cuisines. Next up is fusion cuisine. The culinary landscape of America reflects its status as a melting pot, evidenced mainly by fusion cooking, which amalgamates elements from various culinary traditions to produce innovative and stimulating dishes. Examples of such fusion cuisine include Korean tacos, sushi burritos, and Cajun Asian fusion. This culinary approach embodies American culinary artistry's dynamic and evolving nature, where a convergence of diverse influences creates unique and novelty flavors. The vast geographic expanse of the United States means that regional specialties play a crucial role in shaping Americans' cuisine. Each region boasts its unique flavors and culinary traditions, contributing to the rich tapestry of all American cooking. Let's start with the Northeast. The Northeast, particularly New England, is known for its seafood, including clam chowder, lobster roll, and oysters, but many more. The region has also a strong tradition of baking with favorites like Boston cream pie and whoopie pies. New England's cuisine reflects its maritime heritage and the influence of early European settlers. In the South, we have, of course, Southern cuisine, which is synonymous with comfort food. Some of the region's beloved dishes are fried chicken, biscuit and gravy, shrimp and grits, and pecan pie. The South is also the birthplace of soul food, and there has a rich barbecue tradition as we mentioned above. Southern cooking uses fresh, locally sourced ingredients and always emphasizes hospitality and tradition. In the Midwest, often referred as the breadbasket of America, is known for its hearty and straightforward cuisine. Dishes like deep dish pizza from Chicago, bratwurst from Wisconsin, and Kansas City barbecue highlights the region's culinary diversity. Midwestern cuisine is deeply rooted in agricultural traditions and reflects the region's history of immigrants, variety of settlements. In the West Coast, particularly California, is renowned for its fresh, health-conscious cuisine. Farm-to-table dining, fusion cooking, and an emphasis on fresh produce are the hallmark of the West Coast cooking. This health-conscious approach to cooking, of course, is a significant aspect of our American cuisine, reflecting the growing trend of healthy eating. The Pacific Northwest is famously recognized for its seafood, including salmon and Dungeness crab. Western cooking often incorporates elements of Asian and Latin American cooking, reflecting the region's diverse population. In the Southwest, there's always a vibrant blend of Mexican, Native Americans, and cowboy influences. Tex-Mex cuisine, characterized by chili con carne, enchiladas, and fajitas, is a regional staple. New Mexican cuisine, emphasizing green and red chilies, also stand out. Bold flavors, spices, and chilies represent the Southwestern cooking identity. We also have Hawaii and Alaska, and these two states bring unique flavors to American cooking. Hawaiian cuisine incorporates influences from the Polynesian, Asian, and American cultures, with dishes like poke, spam musubi, and kalua pig. Alaskan cuisine is heavily influenced by its abundant natural resources, with salmon, king crab, and game meats playing a significant role. The cuisines of Hawaii and Alaska reflect their geographic isolation and unique cultural histories. The rich tapestry of all American cooking is complete with acknowledging the profound impact of immigrant communities. This contribution of diverse ethnic groups have continually enriched America's culinary landscape. African American cuisine, particularly soul food, has had a lasting impact on American cooking. Techniques and ingredients brought over during the transatlantic slave trade have evolved into beloved dishes that are now staples of American cooking. The influence of African American cooking is evident in the widespread popularity of fried chicken, cornbread, and collard greens. Native Americans' culinary tradition have provided a foundation for many American dishes. Corn, beans, squash, and various native herbs and spices remain integral to American cooking. Native American contributions to American cuisines are evident in the use of ingredients like cranberries, maple syrup, and many wild game. Immigrants from Europe have left an indelible mark on American cooking. Italian, Irish, Germans, and Eastern European communities have all introduced dishes such as pizza, pasta, rice, corned beef and cabbage, sausages, and pierogies, all of which have become American classics. The European influence on American cuisine is significant, with European culinary tradition being adapted and integrated into the American food landscape, creating a fusion of old and new world flavors. Asian cooking have seamlessly integrated into the American food scene. Chinese, Japanese, Thai, and Korean dishes are popular and have influenced mainstream American cooking. Sushi, ramen, pho, and bibimbap are now widely enjoyed nationally. The influence of Asian cooking is evident in the widespread use of ingredients like soy sauce, ginger rice, and sesame oil, in addition to seafood, pork, and many fresh vegetables. Then we have the Latin American flavors, and the influence of Mexican, Cuban, Puerto Rican, and other Latin American cuisine is really profound. Tacos, rice, burritos, empanadas, beans, and plantains are just some of the flavors that Latin American immigrants have introduced to American cuisine. Latin American culinary tradition have been embraced and adapted in our United States, contributing to the diversity and richness of American cooking. The Middle Eastern and Mediterranean cuisine have also found a place here in the United States kitchens. Falafel, hummus, kebabs, and baklava are now familiar and beloved dishes in the American culinary repertoire. The influence of Middle Eastern Mediterranean cooking is evident in using ingredients like seafood, nuts, olive oil, garlic, fresh herbs, and most legumes. And so, dear listeners, before I let you go, my final thought is that all American cooking is a celebration of diversity, creativity, and cultural exchange. It is a cuisine that defies simple definition, reflecting the nation's complex history and ever-evolving identity. From the comfort food that brings warmth and nostalgia to the innovative fusion dishes that showcases America's culinary ingenuity, all American cooking is a dynamic and delicious journey through a land of endless culinary possibilities. And whether rooted in regional traditions or influenced by the world's flavors, the essence of all American cuisine lies in its creativity and unique ability to adapt, to innovate, and of course to bring people together around the table. And this is all for this episode of Flavors and Knowledge and the definition of what is American cuisine. I hope you enjoyed this topic. I'll get back to you on the next round. If you're in the kitchen today or tonight, always eat well and stay well. Until the next time, ciao ciao.